Hello, sir. Good morning. Very, very good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And how are you?
Yes, very good morning. I am also fine. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
I have been great, fantastic. Thank you so much for asking me as well. And how is the weather there in your side right now?
Yes, today the weather is very pleasant weather. The sun is shining. Yeah, and the weather is very comfortable. But yesterday it was raining. Yeah, but today the weather is very pleasant weather right now. And how is the weather over there in your state?
It is also good weather, pleasant weather. It is a sunny day. And very thank God that it was long time that it was continuously raining and raining only. And in the month of spring we were feeling cold. So it was like okay, the winter season is like came.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. And but
So, sir,
yes, that's me.
okay, okay, so I would like to get your introduction first. So, please walk me through your introduction.
Yes, definitely. Why not? First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I'm running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction. And ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Okay, so my name is Neelu. I'm connecting with you from Jharkhand. I have completed my 10th standard from the Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalay from Jharkhand, and then I moved to Surat. There I did my 11th, 12th, and graduation from Gujarat medium, from Gujarat board. Okay, and then let's come back to my journey that how I'm doing. Yeah, it's going to be 1 year I started learning the language. It's going to good. And I do have a YouTube channel. I started in the month of the July, but just because of my some busy schedule and I have something other things to prioritize, so I'm not able to focus over there later. And when I talk about my profession, that what I'm doing, so yes, I'm a homemaker, and with that, I provide online tuitions to the students as well. And this is all about me. I can say if I talk about my hobbies, so I love traveling. I love reading book, even though I do it once in a blue moon. But yes, these are my favorite. Something that I really fond of.
Yes, yes.
So this is me, Netson.
Yes, it is wonderful, wonderful your English speaking journey, and you like reading. Yeah, it is also good sign for you. But I don't like reading. Yeah, I don't like reading. That's why I had to face a lot of problem from improving my vocabulary skill. If you like reading, yeah, it is good sign for improving your vocabulary skill.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, so I would like to ask you that when you started learning the language, I know that you have been learning this for 2 years. So when you started, so which kind of problems you were coming across?
Yes, as far as I remember, when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I had to face a lot of problem because I belong to village area. I have a lot of friends. They are educated person. They are brilliant student, and they got 100 marks out of 100 in English subject during my study. Yeah, I noticed that. But they can read properly. They can write properly. They can also understand properly. But they cannot speak properly. They always this one. They want to don't want to learn this language. That's why I did not get the any partner for practicing purpose. And at that time I used to practice in front of camera and using my smartphone and start speaking. And when I get free time, I went to the field area. At that time in front of the camera I spoke continuously, and after recording the video I watched very carefully what kind of mistake I was doing while speaking English. I followed this kind of rules, and after practicing 2 or 3 months I found few application, highbrow, CV, those kind of application I found. And after using those application I connect with another person, yeah, at that time, and for practicing purpose. And now, right now, nowadays I am using this application, but using this application I connect with another person, and I know very well speaking is the most important part. Yeah, always you have to speak regular basis. And in this way also right now I am improving my English skill.
Amazing, amazing. So I also have, same. I resonate with you. I was also doing the same kind of thing when I started learning the language, and thanks to the Skype
Yes,
that we
yes,
had, and we were recording the video there, and I was listening it, I was observing it, I was trying to, that replace the words, that how can I make it better, how can I speak it better. And this is something that I didn't do well. So I was also, like, doing a lot of investigation there. I was a lot of trying to put my attention, okay, there, how can I improve, and it really helped me to improve more and more. And
yes, yes. Yes,
yes.
when I used to use Skype application at that time, when I dropped any message in the on the Skype group, yeah, who is free right now for making this kind of video? And at that time, there are so many learner who is waiting over there. They replied, yes, sir, I am ready, and yes, I am ready. But nowadays, I noticed that when I drop the message in this group, yeah, there is no one. I have to wait for a long time for making this kind of video.
Okay. And I also do drop sometimes, very rare I do, because as I am telling you that, okay, maybe it would be month I didn't connect with anybody on a video call. And that's why I'm feeling a bit jittery even also today. And somehow I just mustered up courage and I thought, okay, let me do one video. And I was feeling that, okay, that my views and all, because I started this channel and I'm not doing anything there out. So I thought, okay, today is Sunday, okay, let me connect with somebody and let me do give it a try. So I just, I had forgotten, okay, that we have a team even also. I had this was not in my mind, and just I came to the team and I dropped a message. I didn't know that, okay, anybody will come, but instantly I got your reply. Otherwise, I will, I will just switch that app and I will come to the other place. So this is the things that, okay, I don't wait that long. Maybe around 2 to 3 minutes I will wait, and not more than that. So
Yes.
okay, thank you for your message, because I have, mail even also, but I don't reply. See, because I cannot give them, like a proper time that I would be free at this time, because I don't have. I cannot connect with them. So I directly used to say them, okay, for recording, if you are telling me, I might be not able available, but yes, okay, if you really want to connect with me for talking, you can connect, okay, on an audio call. I can connect with you, but for recording, I literally I don't have a time, and I cannot confirm you about that.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, you are right.
so
Yes, ask me.
I would like to ask you about your profession. That in your profession, like, how do you are you enjoying it? And before profession, before going into this role, how was your life?
Yes, I work in a hospital as an assistant, and that's why I have to do shifting duty in the hospital, morning, evening, night. Yeah, I don't like this kind of job. Yeah, I because it is Sunday today. Yeah, it is Sunday today, but I will go to the night duty today. Yeah, that's why in the morning time we free. I am making this kind of video. But I wanted to be a teacher. I like teaching. I always like teaching. Before joining the hospital, I used to teach at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subject. And you know, ma'am, there were 120 students in a 6 batches. I always like teaching. That's why I sat on the competitive examination for teaching purpose. But after that, I cracked the TET qualified. But giving the interview, I did not get any success in my life. That's why nowadays I am doing a job in the hospital, but I don't like, yeah, this kind of job.
Okay, sometimes it happens, like whatever you are wishing for, hankering for, it does not come to you. Okay, you
Yes,
belong
yes,
to some other background, and life gives you something else to taste. So it is the part of the life you have to accept. You have to go with it. And the thing is that, okay, that it is all in your hand whether you want to enjoy it or not. So better to enjoy, because if you cannot do anything, so better to enjoy and leave it. Okay, because we have a very precious life. Okay, and we should value it. Okay, this is what I would say. Because actually you are saying, okay, that I don't like this job. This is like this option you have. But if I say about the homemakers, they also don't like, doing household chores,
yes,
but they
yes,
don't have option. They cannot say. okay, even they will say there's nothing, okay, that they will not do anything. So there are also like every homemakers, very few would be there. Okay, they would be saying that I like, every day cooking the same thing. If there is something new, definitely they would love it. But when you have to go through the same kind of recipe every day, so sometimes it feels very boring, and we everyone wants something new in their life,
Yes,
and
yes,
which is like, okay, same for everybody, whether you are working, working as an engineer, lawyer. So for every work there is the same things, there is the same thing you will have. But the
yes,
thing is that you have to understand, okay, and you have to be that much resilient and curious, okay, to learn, okay, that today if I'm going to do this, I will learn something new, definitely.
yes,
And let me tell you one my experience, okay. Whenever I used to visit to the hospital, what I do, I used to observe the people. And when I get inside the room, the doctor office, so I used to like try to listen carefully that what the doctor is suggesting to other person, and what kind of problems they're coming with. So I'm very curious, I just try to put my ears here and there, and to just know and utilize that place the fully, okay, that as I can. So this is like what I try, like it is always in my mind, if I'm going somewhere, I will try to utilize that time, and I always go with that I will learn something there.
yes, yes. You're right. Yeah, and ma'am, and before joining the hospital, I did not have any idea about this hospital. But and I have completed my duty in the hospital around more than 10 years. That's why nowadays I have a lot of experience. I know so many medicines. Yeah, about the medicine, I know I have a lot of knowledge about the medicines and so many things. And nowadays also I am happy, yeah, with my job, because I always take care with my family. Yeah,
Yes, that's amazing. That's
yes,
amazing. And I'm also very interested to know about more and more medicines.
yes, yes,
Uh, but yeah, the thing is that whatever you want, you can do these days. We have a technology, we have everything. Sources is much, but time is less. Okay, that is what getting the problem. A lot of the people, and
yes,
even
yes,
with me, even also, okay, that we can learn everything nowadays. Okay, it has become very easy. But you need to have a patience. Okay, as much as the facility is coming, we are getting that couch potato, and we are feeling, okay, that we don't have a time. So this is happening, and
mm,
it is not only the phone you can keep responsible. There is other side as well, okay, that we the food that we are taking, everything is adulterated. The organic food that we were getting, at the time when I was living with my mother in the village, still right now at my mother home. So the food that we are taking here, so that is different. And when we take, when we live in a city and we buy it from soap, so that quality is very different. So
yes, yes,
that is also, you can say, other part, that somewhere, rotting our mind, and it's not giving us for good nutrition, and it is like deteriorating our health, mind, thinking, and somewhere we are having a, that anger issues, like everything, it is all connected. You cannot say just a one thing, okay, that phone and all. There's a lot of thing around it.
yes, yes, you're right. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. And right,
Yes, okay, so
being a housewife, you have a lot
go
of
ahead.
work in your house, and you have a one kid right now. She is 3 years old. You have to take care of her. And ma'am, right now also you are learning this language, as well as you are running your YouTube channel. But I would like to ask one question to you. And why you have created YouTube channel? Is there any reason?
Actually, there was no any specific reason. I did it for myself. Okay, that whenever I'll be free, I will be uploading videos over the YouTube, and just the experience. Okay, just you can say of fun, and somewhere when I feel, okay, that I don't have a time, so I would be able to utilize it for my YouTube. Okay, I can go there. I can just check, okay, that what is my uh, performance. Okay, how I'm doing. So it
Yes,
is all I can say, just for a fun, and for a bit of sense of responsibility to remind me, okay, that there is something that I need to do, even if I stop doing, everything. But there, YouTube is always there, okay, to help me, to motivate me, to keep going and to do something, okay, that uh, just to strain on something here and there.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, you have a right now. So you are running a YouTube channel. You have a family member. You have a few relatives, and maybe you have a few friends. And do they know about your English speaking journey?
Everybody knows. Everybody knows.
But what kind of comments are you getting from your relative circle, from your friend circle?
There's nothing with they just see, or they might be coming through the video, going through the video or not. I don't know, but they know. Okay, that only I know
Yes, yes,
about the reactions, about that what they are thinking and what is going. Okay, that I don't ask, and I don't have any idea. And when when I was doing this YouTube, I was getting one suggestion that why don't you go for a competitive exam?
yes,
Okay, because if you are putting your time here, so you can go for that. And I was like, okay, I cannot go for it because see, the background that I had, it was completely different. And competitive exam is not that, okay, that school exams.
yes. You're
It's
right.
a time, it's time taking and effort taking, and you require to give a special amount of time there. And this is what I feel, so that I cannot be that much dedicated to the competitive exam, or for that I have to do a lot of things, and I nowadays I don't have that much interest even also into that, so I don't want to go for that.
Yes, yes. All right, ma'am. It was a nice conversation with you. Yeah, I have learned so many things by connecting with you. All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Same here, thank you so much.
Thank you.